Morning. My side today we're not doing no cooking, we are make some natural Viagra. Yeah man, some natural Viagra we are make this morning. Some melon. You see me? Yeah, some melon. Buy one melon and boy, me I tell you. One melon and something to eat. So me I just blend it up and make some natural Viagra. You see, he said that the man them I buy them bag of pill here. Let me tell you this man. Natural Viagra this. Enough man not even know that. I'm not joke. Research if you think I joke me I make. You see me I cut off. I just peel it. Me not take it's the green part here. Natural Viagra. But research if you think I joke me I make. The green part, the green part in it. So you just peel off some of it. Yeah man. Natural Viagra. See there? Natural. They call me tough skin. Yeah man. Natural Viagra beside me. And joke about it. Natural Viagra. The boy love me like. Natural Viagra, you know. But I'm gonna joke. Natural Viagra! Natural Viagra! See, look you know. See that? Natural Viagra, you know, man. Joke. No little joke about it, you know. Yeah, man. That's some ginger. I put out some ginger in it, man. I mean, I use a whole heap of water. Because I will put the water here again and blend the rest of it, you know. And nearly 1 million we are blending, you know. You know, watch it. See, look. Alright. Melon full of water, you know. So what me gonna do, you know, watch it. Watch it cream inside. Throw back the water here, back in the blender again. I can't too much in, you know. Natural Viagra we make this morning. No little joke no day night. Cut off the skin. No little joke. See, you see sometime man, yeah man, all of them things, you know, I tell you, all of them things we see on the earth, them fruits and vegetables, yeah man, them have a whole heap of things in it, man. They're good for you, man, them. So instead of there, I take them bag of pill. You take your bag of pill them. We are mash up way inside. Yeah man, you see down inside melon? Natural me I tell you, man. Boy, this I can eat. Drink up about 2 cups of this. Drink up 1, 2 cups of this, you know? Oh, smell nice, you know? Smell like melon. You see all over melon. You see, the more you blend, the more water you get, look there. The melon full of water. Yo, you You drink this right now, you little Tulu turn up, you know. Yeah, man, you drink all this right now, you little Tulus. You little Tulus turn up, firm. Yes. Yeah, man, little Tulus turn up firm, man. Yeah, man, little ching ching turn up firm. Alright, I'll blend the one most of blending and I'll drink some car. Woo! Seal. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you could all stand up firm, man. Man, joke, man. Don't take off the back of your melon, it's skin, cause it. Oh, the skin of this melon is thick, so yeah, man, I drink 1-2 cup of this, man. Oh, God, man. Yeah, man, you have to run to the bedroom, man. Yeah, man, a natural this way I deal with, man. Natural thing we are doing right now. I tell you this, you run to the bedroom. I go and eat piece here, man. Natural. Alright, put it in now. You have some ginger. Like gone. How would the backside this? Like gone. No, sir. No, sir. This serious to us. Like gone. Oh, Jesus of mercy. Look at this can done. I'm pausing it like gone. Light go away. Light go away, say light come back now, so never get to do no bugger, no more video. But see, finished product here, we have some melon. No sugar, nothing, just melon and ginger. Natural Viagra. You understand? Yeah, man, so we're going to sample it right now. Natural Viagra. God almighty. Yeah. Refreshing still, but like you want a little sugar. Yeah. You want a little sugar, but refreshing and nice. Refreshing and nice. This can drink on a hot summer day. Refreshing and nice.